Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nouria Sangare. Today I'll be showing you how I refreshen my old wigs and bring it back to life. Tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je m'appelle Nouria Sangare. Cette vidéo sera à propos de comment entretenir et conserver mes anciennes perruques. So to start, I just use 90% isopropyl alcohol on just a cleaning towel and kind of clean up the old makeup and glue that I had on the wig. And then I proceed to next go ahead and soak the hair in for about 10 minutes. So after soaking it in for about 10 minutes, you can see how much makeup and everything was removed from the wig. So next I use my regular Cantu shampoo and just kind of lather it all over the hair. Because we had already soaked it previously for about 10 minutes, you can see that there's not much left. It's not that dirty looking. The soap is just coming out white. So that's what really helps with soaking it in for 10 minutes. Now I'm just scrubbing inside and washing the elastic band in the back as well, because that acquires a lot of moisture and stuff from the hair. Now I'm just going in with my Cantu hydrating conditioner, just applying it through everywhere as well as the back of the hair. I'm just making sure to apply it to the ends because those are really important. Then I go ahead and use my wide tooth comb and start kind of detangling from the bottom, which makes it easier to get on to come up to the top as you brush up from the bottom. After rinsing the conditioner out, I let it dry outside with just air, not outside, but air dry, and it dries pretty quickly. And I then use the Cantu Shea butter, which it's a leave-in conditioner repair cream, and it tames like the frizz and protects from any damage while also like moisturizing and hydrating the hair. And then I use my denim brush to brush out the hair and bring out the curls even more, and I also apply the leave-in conditioner in the back of the hair, making sure to comb it out all through. Water is this hair's best friend. It makes it much more manageable, and I just use a regular spray bottle. So now I'm just going in to kind of define my middle part even more. I go on to use the Tresemme Flawless Curls Mousse. This is like an extra hold for curly hair without like the heaviness. It keeps your curls intact throughout the day, which is what I like about it. So a little bit more about the hair. I bought this hair in 2018. It is from Y Wigs. It was an 18-inch wig. However, throughout the years, I have cut it because I wanted it shorter. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below for this hair. For the finishing touch, I like a little bit of shine. I got this on my local beauty supply. It's a curl and wavy shine. That's what I spray out through the hair to give it that lush sheen. Alright guys, so I have the finished product here. I'm going to be installing the hair. I don't want to do the whole stocking cap method where you melt the stocking cap and melt the lace and stuff. However, I will be using the Got to Be Glued hairspray on my edges right here to glue it down. I will be just using a regular powder to blend it in to make it match more even. And I'm just gonna take a brush and pretty much just go along on the hair. And I'm just putting it in the middle part where I have my line a little bit darker, just trying to hide where the glue area was, so that it doesn't show underneath. I'm also going to be using my wig grip that I got off of Amazon. A friend told me about this and I really like it so far. And I just kind of apply it in the back here. It makes it so that the wig doesn't slide, basically. And one thing when you use this, you may think, oh, it's too light, but you also have to make this a little darker so that it does match, you know, your skin tone. This is also why I got these darker shade stocking caps, just to help with that too. And I'm just gonna make this a little darker with the powder that I had, and I am just doing a middle part, so that's where you can really see the lace. So that's where I'm just like putting more there. The wig. So already even having the wig grip, it really helps with not being able to, like, look, it's already gripping the wig. Like I can't even pull it down that much, which is why I really like the wig grip. So you do see that it is a little brown because I already did put the powder on there. And later on when it's all good, I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up with a highlighter, just to bring out the part more. All right. Just gonna place this, make sure it's even, and lift it up and use my Got2b glue. Then we have to wait for it to kind of dry before we can place the wig on my edges. And now we're just gonna place it down. And when I do this, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna use the end of this comb to kind of press down. I am not a professional, so I do try my best to kind of lay my wigs down. As you can see, the lace is kind of melted. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and use, I have this blade right here that I'm gonna use to make baby hairs. So I just took a little bit in front. I'm just going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer to define my part. Blend it up. Blend it up a little more. Basically, sometimes if it takes too long to dry, and right now I am kind of in a rush, so I just use a blow dryer and use it on the cool setting to kind of make it dry. So when I'm done with the blow drying, I use just a regular mousse because it's easier to sleek your edges rather than just water, because that will remove your glue. So like I was saying, I'm not the best at edges. I think I have okay edges. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it up and probably leave it on for like 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back, guys. All right, so after removing, this is the final product. Yes, we like very much. Yes, I am definitely feeling it, like totally for this, totally. I don't know why I'm doing a British accent, but I am really liking this. I haven't worn this wig since last summer, 2019, and so I basically kind of revived it a little bit. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's not too bad, because I'm not a professional. Yeah, the part isn't bad at all, the way it laid. And with that wig grip, this is not going anywhere, sis. Like, nowhere. Alors, voilà le produit fini. Ça fait très longtemps que j'ai pas porté cette perruque, depuis 2019, en été en fait. Donc, voilà comment je l'ai fait, comme neuf encore. So this is pretty much how I refresh the wig. This is a water wave wig. Requires a bit of water and some mousse, and it brings it right back to life. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. N'oubliez pas d'aimer, liker la vidéo et abonnez-vous. Alors à la prochaine, bisous. Mouah.